as an important product section of XCMG's complete set of construction and maintenance machinery. XCMG milling machines are available in 4 big series: small, medium rear loader, medium front loader, and large, with more than 10 models and working widths ranging from 0.35 meter, 0.5 meter, 1 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.3 meter to maximum 2 meter. It is by far the most complete portfolio in China and covers the most application range. Its market share and export volume rank first among Chinese enterprises and are widely exported to Southeast Asia, Russia, America, Europe, South America, and Africa, etc. Large milling machine. The conventional product weighs 28.5 tons, can be transported by the skid steer without violating the highway weight limit. An optional 1.4 tons rear ballast can be disassembled and assembled within 1 hour, further enhancing the milling capacity and operational efficiency under heavy loads. The 4th generation heavy-duty milling drum increases the overall milling efficiency by more than 6% to meet the cutting needs of different media. High-power reserve engine ensures highly efficient work. 130-degree angle conveyor belt enables working along smaller curves, greatly increasing the adaptability to different feeders. Optional side plate smart cylinder sensor, cross slope sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and 3D kit as leveling system measurement device to meet the needs of different construction scenarios and different construction requirements. It can be equipped with 6 x 2 mm pitch fine milling drum for fine cutting, 15 mm pitch normal milling drum, and 25 mm pitch economic milling drum for large depth milling. One-touch working, fast barrier crossing and emergency obstacle avoidance simplify the operation of the milling machine, reduce the operator's operational stress, and provide better attention to quality and safety. Small milling machine. The small turning and milling radius, whether 3 or 4-wheel drive, makes it easy to turn or turn around in narrow areas, such as residential areas, factories, and closed roads. Normally only 2 minutes is required to complete milling around a manhole cover. Different types of milling drums can be replaced to meet the needs of marking, trenches, concrete and fine milling work. Options such as rumble strip, hydraulic picks, and conveyor belts are also available to meet the needs of different urban road construction scenarios. High-powered engine with large power reserve compared to other models in its class, ensuring efficient milling performance under different working conditions. The hydraulic components are well established and market proven, with overload protection and high reliability. The milling drum has 2 types of support: single-sided and double-sided. The single-sided support can realize quickly replacement of the milling drum, while the double-sided support has higher stability and longer life. The intelligent control system for the depth of the legs is deeply integrated into the control system of the machine, which can work with the propel system, milling system, and water sprinkler system of the machine to achieve better working effect and higher operational efficiency. And the system supports side, plate cylinder sensor type, and slope type leveling method. The milling drum slow rotation control can realize the slow rotation of the milling drum for tool change and inspection work. Practical and easy to operate, with fully automatic adjustment of the whole machine throttle, automatic gear switching, one-touch intelligent start/stop, and intelligent water sprinkling, etc. Basically, no manual adjustment is required to improve the control efficiency. Medium-sized post-feed milling machine, equipped with a high-powered engine, which has a larger power reserve than other models in its class, and automatic load control technology to ensure efficient milling performance under different working conditions. The milling drum can be hydraulically driven or mechanically belt driven. Both drive systems are made of imported brand mature components, which have been tested in the market for a long time and are highly reliable. The layout of the machine is compact and reasonable. The front wheel steering angle is large. The minimum milling radius of the machine is only 550 millimeters, which has higher maneuverability. The right rear wheel can easily swing to the front of the milling chamber, which is more flexible in narrow working conditions. And the high propel speed makes the short transport of municipal construction faster. The machine has fully automatic throttle adjustment, automatic gear switching, one-touch construction, intelligent water sprinkling, and other functions, making operation more convenient and quick. Optional side plate cylinder displacement sensor, cross-slope sensor, and other measuring devices for leveling system to meet the needs of different construction scenarios and different construction requirements. 850L water tank, ND 500L fuel tank, stores enough liquids for constant work, reducing the frequency of water and fuel refilling, and therefore ensuring less downtime. The plastic water tank aims for long-lasting durability and rust resistance. Medium-sized rear front feeding milling machine. The front loader has a better view and is more convenient to operate. With the 120-degree large swing angle design, it can be used along small curves and across lanes, more compatible and adaptable to the supply truck. The 4-track hydraulic drive system with hydraulic differential lock has a strong drive force and can effectively prevent slipping on slippery roads and under heavy load conditions. The large steering angle of the front track makes it more flexible in narrow corners. And the right rear leg can be automatically swung into the inside of the body with one key, which makes it easy to mill in close to curbs. Dual fan independent cooling system has low noise and low power loss. Changchai 9DK series engine, large power reserve, low cost of use. Equipped with automatic slope leveling system as standard, with optional grade sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and 3D kit as leveling system measuring device to meet the needs of different construction scenarios and different construction requirements.